Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate options trading with TradeStation, full guide step by step clearly. Start by signing up for a TradeStation account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the TradeStation platform. Open the matrix by selecting it from the trading tools available. Use the matrix to select your desired options contract. Enter the parameters for the option you wish to trade. Choose the quantity of contracts you want to trade. Next, click on the Order Entry option to begin the automation process. Create a new strategy by selecting the Easy Language Editor from the trading tools. In the Easy Language Editor, you'll write the script to automate your options trading. Start by defining your entry conditions using logical statements. Include conditions such as price levels, volume, or technical indicators. Next, add the exit conditions for your automated strategy. Set up parameters for stop loss and take profit to manage your risk. Save your Easy Language script with a unique name. After saving, compile your script to check for errors. Once the script is error-free, you can apply it to your trading account. Go back to the matrix and find your strategy. Select your newly created automated strategy from the drop-down menu. Test your strategy using a simulated trading environment to ensure it performs as expected. Monitor the results of your simulation and make adjustments if necessary. Once you are satisfied with the performance, switch to live trading. Set your trading preferences and risk management parameters in the platform. Regularly review and refine your trading strategy based on market conditions. Continue to educate yourself on options trading and updates to TradeStation features. Be prepared to modify your automation as market dynamics change. Stay disciplined and follow your trading plan consistently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.